These are the top 5 landscaping mistakes that I see people make and how to avoid them. Number 1 is skimping on your soil. There used to be an old adage that would say you should put a $10 plant in a $100 hole. That's obviously a bit of an exaggeration, but you do need to invest in your soil. When you are re-landscaping an old area or even a new flower bed, the best thing you can do ahead of time would be to either purchase some bagged compost or compost in bulk and till that into the area that you're going to be working on. This is going to help protect the financial investment that you are putting into the plants because it's going to allow your plants to get established more quickly and easily and the overall health of your landscape. Now, I get it that the plants can be expensive, but if you are not also spending money and investing on that good quality soil, then your plants might suffer. Number 2 is not considering the mature size of the plant. That little evergreen that you see at the nursery might look really cute up next to your door right now, but this could actually get up to 30 or 40 feet tall, which would probably not be ideal in the long run. And a lot of people don't realize how big certain shrubs or even perennials can get, and so that will lead to you overcrowding your flower beds, and as those plants mature, they just start interfering with each other, and it doesn't make for a nice look. Number 3 is choosing the wrong plant for the wrong place. Now this is similar to the second point, but I'm more talking about putting a plant that is sun-loving in a shady spot or vice versa, or maybe it's a plant that prefers acidic soil and you've got alkaline soil. These are all very important considerations, and it does take some plant knowledge. So this is where you can head to your local garden center and talk to your local experts that can help you to make sure that you're getting the right plant for the right spot. Number 4 is planting your plants too deep. This can be very detrimental to your plants, and it could even kill them. Whenever you are planting a plant, it's important not to pile dirt on top of the surface roots. In fact, you want the surface roots of the plant generally to be about an inch above the surrounding soil. And lastly, at number 5 is not having an overarching plan. What I see all too often is a property that's not cohesive. And that's because maybe this project has been done in phases over multiple years, but there's not always that good plan that ties everything together. So it's good to take a step back, maybe even look at aerial imaging and see, as this tree matures and as the landscape matures, where would be the best places to have beds around my house? And how can everything be tied together with hardscaping, such as edging and patios and walkways? Even if you don't have the budget to do the entire plan all at once, it's nice to have the plan in place. That way you know how to work on it a step at a time and still be able to tie it all together in the future. So keep these tips in mind and don't make those mistakes for yourself.